Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you what are skip traces in real estate on Propwire. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just came across Propwire. What exactly is a skip trace? Meaning, even in their gold membership, they offer this feature here. You get no free skip traces on the basic plan, but on the gold plan, you get 2,500 free skip traces. So what exactly is a skip trace? So skip trace is basically, it's an effective and affordable way to find and contact the owner of a property so that you can start the conversation about purchasing the property from the current owner. So what it basically means is that if someone actually owns a property, they may be hard or difficult to reach, and that's where skip tracing actually comes in. So skip tracing earned its name because it involves finding the owner of a property who has skipped town. So it means finding and calling the homeowner or property owner who is otherwise difficult to find. So this is going to be beneficial for individuals who are really looking to find the owner of a property because you might be interested in buying it. And in a lot of the cases, people can't contact the owner of the property and there's no below the market deal to be had. So that's where skip tracing comes in. And with Propwire's membership, you get 2,500 free skip traces per month in case you really do want to contact these homeowners so that you have a better chance of actually investing into their home or purchasing or acquiring that home. But that is essentially what a skip trace is. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.